awesome place which is within 100 kilometers from Bangalore. It's very fun and I'm going to enjoy the water, and I've not gone anywhere out from quite some time because of this corona. Let's enjoy. We are all set. We are ready to go. We have packed all the food since we can't eat outside, and I'll tell more details on the way. Here we are entering Kanakapura road. Google Map link is provided in the description. My mother had made chana masala and pulka. After having nice breakfast near lake, we are heading towards Dabbaguli. After Kanakapura, we are heading towards hunasanahalli on the way to Dabbaguli. Hi, friends. On our way, we found a pleasant lake. We found many lotus in it, and there is a cool breeze, and we stopped to drink hot tea. It's fun. We are almost coming to the place where we need to. Yay! We reached Dabbaguli. This place is just awesome. I have took some clips, just enjoy. This is in the border of Karnataka and Tamilnadu. I and my brother are going to just play in this water. It's so clean. च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिन्धु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिन्धु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु. Enjoy the scenic drive and stay safe. Thank you.